See, hello, all of that ready. Yeah. All right, now so this is the little here I want to show now how to install a decking or how to put up per se or anywhere you know best understand it. So here, as you can see, guys, I have a level line here and also a measurement for which I already use on the opposite side that I have already done. So I'm gonna actually alright, so guys, I'm gonna start to actually put up this decking now. So I want to explain to you as best as I can for you to understand the steps of doing this. So I already transfer my line up there, which I actually leveled. So these pieces of frameworks that you see here, these are called the cliques, which we put on the wall to my line that I have up here. So there are two pieces of them, one on opposite direction. So this is actually, let's say, my second step, because the first step is to actually get your level line, so you know you're actually working on the same on both sides. So I'm going to actually nail this up now. Yeah. Get up. water truck. Alright, so guys, as you can see, I got both sides up now. Yeah, both sides are up. So our next step will be the runners. So I'll be taking the measurement from this point here, over here, to the other point there. So I'll be needing 3 pieces of those because because this is a 4 feet area in width, and I think 7 feet 6 inches in length. So reason for this now, because we are putting our runners 2 feet apart, so we only need 4 of them because of 3 of them, because we are putting them 2 feet apart. So 1 to the corner, each corner, 1 in the middle. So that is 4 feet, 2 feet apart. Okay, so now I'll be taking the measurements for the runners to be up there. So that is our next step, guys. So I know you see that. All right. What it look like? What it look? Alright guys, so now I have my 3 pieces of runners that are to go up on top now. I'm gonna put them up. Yeah. So these are 2x4s that I'll be using for the runners, yeah. Yeah, hard to splice piece. This piece, why you see it's so thick, yeah, sometimes you know just run go and cut boards. Sometimes you have to make them up because you know sometimes you might run short. So yeah, how we save something for Mr. Rainy Day. I learn to utilize. Yeah. Alright. One more in. I think this is a bit tight now. Walk it up like water truck. Alright, so I'm going to brush another piece. Oh. Alright, so guys, now we have our runners up. Time for our support board now. So that is gonna be in the center of this because we're only gonna use one support for this because of the space is pretty much small. So yeah, up top boss. Yeah.
And rough top, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Back it up, right water truck. One nearly out in here.
Huh?
Maybe I say I should get a little bit wide. More than 4. Watch me head, sir. Watch me head. Alright. Alright, so guys, this is very easy to get our support board in. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on top of this here. Watch it now. Oh, that'll be easy. Be a steam. Hot, what finger. What it going to right now, so fluid in our system. Alright guys, so that's a simple way you can easily get to put up your support board. So this is the bad boy. I go hold him up this piece here. So the reason for this piece is just to guide me for not going up too much or down too much. Yeah, so I'll be doing the same thing on the opposite side. Yeah, I'm on hot beer steam, you know. Yeah. Alright guys, so easily this is out. So I'm going to put another one on the opposite side there, coming in towards this. That is our main support, which is I'm gonna do next. So after that, then we can put a shore under, or a prop, better term, and then yeah, basically apply next. And I don't know much o'clock that, so yeah, go get the next piece over the other side. Alright, so guys, as you can see, now my main support board is up. So I just have one more step, is to put a shore, or better terms, a prop to hold it up, you know. So guys, that's the next step of this process. So hope so far you are getting an understanding of how to put up a decking, and after watching this video also, yeah, you can actually know a thing or two, or you know, you can actually do it by yourself. So yeah guys, yeah, see that board, you know, that is where the shores is gonna be going. You have to hold the pressure of the decking. Yeah, so yes guys, as you can see, I already finished these parts here, and as I said, I've had a room around the back which I have done also. Yeah, always name the cut one them there now, so all right, yeah guys, this is the other one. Yeah, as you can see, this is done also. Just have a few little holes to block out. Yeah, yeah guys, so alright, so guys, I'm gonna put the prop under there now, and then basically that would be it for this video. Alright, now guys, there you're having it. So now I've put up my support board, as you can see, and then now this here prop inside the middle of it to hold the weight. So I only use one in this area because it's a very small area, so I don't think you need more than that. So basically that's it. The only thing left now is to get the plies on the top. So I don't think I will be showing you guys that. Yeah, paper. So I can see up top boss, you know. I got drop on the ply them for that piece, yeah. Oh yeah, me. I'm not here. And so start, so yeah. And I get a nice view from up here, so yeah, sun kind of away still, peeps. Yeah, so yeah, basically this year work from when I can see the whole thing.